Come in a second. It's an EasyJet A320, 250th Airbus livery. Like EasyJet, I think they've got 6 liveries in total, including the special liveries. So yeah, and you will be able to see this one clearly. There it is. You can't really see it clearly. There it is. Sorry, that's my. You're gonna have lots of shouting on my channel. I'm really sorry. Like, I don't live by myself because I'm still a little kid. So yeah, it's just quite loud in my house. There's nothing I can really do. I can't really tell them to shush because that just won't work. Because I'll be disturbing my video and kind of yeah. Especially when you're doing Planespotting, because some of these planes that you don't really see often. So yeah. By the way, that's off to Milan, if you don't know. It's A320. And I'd just like to say in this video, I'm really, really sad because of the Ethiopian plane crash yesterday. I think there was one in Colombia as well. So yeah, my thoughts go out to all of those families that were involved in the crash. And yeah, just rest in peace whoever was in it. It's just really, really sad.